Do you know the difference between a brush and a sponge? Cleaning brushes are usually good for cleaning tough dirt, for example, when you need to scrub the floor. On the other hand, a sponge is a soft tool, great for gentle cleaning. Hi guys, today we're diving into the world of English vocabulary right here from the cleaning supplies aisle at Walmart. Ready to brush up on your English skills? Let's get started. This is multi-purpose cleaner or all-purpose cleaner. It's great for cleaning many surfaces such as countertops, tables, and sinks. This one costs $4.88. Do you think that's cheap or expensive? How much does this cost in your country? Let me know in the comments. These are sponges and they're used for washing dishes or cleaning surfaces like scrubbing surfaces. The word sponge is only used for cleaning sponges and not for what you see in the picture. This in the picture is a loofah and not a sponge, okay? This is dish soap, also called dishwashing liquid. Dish soap costs from $2 to $6 here in the United States, but this one, which is a small one, is only 97 cents. I have allergic rhinitis, so I always have to look for unscented dish soap. Unscented means without perfume. My hands are also sensitive, so I need gloves to protect my skin from contact with these products. You can say I'm looking for unscented dish soap and cleaning gloves. This is a degreaser, which removes grease, oil, and sticky residues from surfaces. I always keep 2 or 3 at home, and you can use the phrase, "Could you hand me the degreaser, please?" If you have learned something, don't forget to share this video with a friend and hit the like button. This is glass cleaner used to clean windows, glass surfaces, and mirrors. You can say, "I need glass cleaner for my bathroom mirror." These are disinfecting wipes for cleaning germs on surfaces. I like to use these wipes to clean the bathroom. I'm obsessed with cleaning the bathroom. This is a mop. You use it with water and cleaning solution to clean the floor. $34.96? What? Here in the US, the Swiffer brand is really common. They're basically mops that come with disposable pads. Pads are these attachments that are used to clean floors. You can also use the word pad to refer to a feminine product, such as the one you see in the picture. This is a broom, and you use it to sweep the floor. Let's sweep the floor. And this is a dustpan to pick up the dirt. This is a scrubbing brush. It's great for cleaning tough stains on pans, you know? You might hear you can use a scrubbing brush to clean pans or to clean the floor. These are trash bags, and we use them to line our trash cans. You might hear when you take out the trash, make sure to replace the trash bag. Let's move on to bathroom cleaning supplies. Here we have bleach. Bleach is used to lighten or whiten materials. You can use this word as a verb too. You can say to bleach when you mean to whiten. For example, I need to bleach my shirts to get rid of the stains. And here there are toilet bowl cleaners. You can say, "Where's the toilet bowl cleaner? I need to clean the toilet." It's also common to find foaming cleaner here. Foaming cleaner is a type of product that generates foam when sprayed or agitated. Wait, I found a toilet cleaning stamp. These stamps keep toilet rings and lime scale buildup away. A toilet ring refers to a stain or buildup that forms around the inside rim of a toilet bowl. Very gross, I know, but it helps. I love using vinegar or acetic acid to clean my house. I mop the floors with vinegar. I clean the windows with vinegar. I love it. That was it. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.